Hi friends, welcome back. Friends, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi friends, very good morning. So, uh, so yeah, friends, I am getting some noise from background. If you don't mind, please be in a mute. Okay. Yeah, fine. So friends, welcome back. Very good morning. So today we are going to be see about that installation parts for work with the Java and Selenium. Okay. First, let's try to install Java in your system. Okay, then we'll be installing that Eclipse IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So without installing Java, even we cannot open Eclipse IDE also. Okay, because in your Eclipse, we are going to be create our Java projects. Once you are creating any Java project, every Java project will take source code of Java libraries. So without installing Java, even Eclipse also will not get open. So first let's try to install Java in your system. Just give me 5 minutes, then I'll be taking one of you as a control. I'll be doing installation in your systems, because in my system I already having friends. Friends, tell me, what is the current version of Java in the market? Do anyone know? What's the current version of Java in the market? 13. Java 13 is going on in the market. Even being as 13 version, still developers and testers, everyone using Java 8 version. Java 8 is a stable version, standard version, working for all compatibilities. So we're working software means it should be more compatible, right? Java 8 is a stable version, most compatible version to anything, even to integrate Jenkins or everywhere. See friends, that's why we go with the Java 8. Even if you search in the Google also, we can find top list as the 8 only. See here, I was searching Java SE development kit. Just I was searching with keyword Java SE development kit. SE stands for standard edition. Let's click on that. I was not searching with based on the version, just I was given that Java SE development kit. So what is the version top? It was showing the Google 8 version. See below we can see 13 is there, below 11 is there, like this are there. But topmost is the latest version, majority usage will be there. So this stable version. So see, we know Apache, Tomcat, some Tomcats, Apache products are there. Apache products are not upgraded. That's why Java is keep on improving, releasing the versions. But according to the Apache also should be upgraded. So compatibility will not be there when going Java latest versions. So Java 8 is a stable version. That's why still developers, still testers using the Java 8 version. That's why it's being as a top first place. Okay. Now we have to click on this. We have to click on this. So see friends. Oh, UI also is changing. So 1 week ago, not 1 week ago, 3 days ago also UI is somewhat different. Now I think somewhat change it was. Okay. Anyhow, friends, if you want to download the Java, my Java will Support to install in various platforms. My Java is a platform independent programming language. So my Java can be installed in various platforms like Linux, Mac, Windows, any of the platform I can install my Java. Okay, anywhere I can install. See here we can find Linux. Linux supported versions are there, and here Mac supported Java is there to download. Solaris supported Java to download, and this is a Windows related. Friends, this is the new way I am searching. Okay, 2 days ago the UI is not like this. They are changing. They're changing. So this is a Windows x86 and x64. Based upon your bit OS, 64-bit means then go with the Windows x64. If your system Windows is 32-bit, then go with x86 to download this. Getting friends? And if it's the case, the people who are working with Mac OS, if they want to download the Java, Mac OS x64, this we need to download it. Okay. So before that, we'll have some license agreement here. The software is licensed under Oracle terminology line. Okay. Let me click on that. Earlier, old UI 2 days ago, there will be some radio buttons will be there to accept the license agreement before downloading this. I think it was not there. Let me see. Before that, I want to discuss something, friends. You can find some green color rectangle box. See this. So from April 16, 2019, my Oracle terms and conditions got changed. As we know that Java is an open source free software, nothing to purchase any rupee for this Java product. But the license terms and conditions got changed from April 16, 2018. Still it was free. But terms and conditions got changed. See here. The new Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE is substantially different from the prior Oracle JDK license. Prior license terms and now current license terms are entirely different, right? The new license permits certain uses. The new license, now the trend from April 16, 2019, the license terms of Oracle is entirely different. For certain users only, we can use that. What is that particular certain uses we can use the Java? Yes, such as personal use and development use at no cost. Personal use means as my personal system in my home, I want to develop my Java programs. It's personal use. Yes, you can develop. Download it. You can develop your code with free of cost. When you are working as a development use means in corporates, any software we purchase license. But Java, no need to purchase if you want to develop any enterprise applications or desktop applications, whatever applications you want to develop. You develop in your system, in your company. No need to pay even single rupee. But once this code was being developed, this has to be deployed to the server, right? That comes to the commercial part, where you deploy your developed code in your production server. There we have to purchase some license to run that server and Java applications to run Java supported softwares. We must purchase it to run your Java programs. What you've been developed in server supported Java softwares, we have to purchase it. There it is a licensed one. See here. So such as personal use, development use, no cost. But other use authorized under prior Oracle JDK license may no longer be available. So please review the terms carefully before downloading and using this product. Commercial license and support is available with low cost with the Java SE subscription. Getting friends? One second. Some students are asking for link. Some people thinking the link is different. Same link. Yeah. Yeah, sorry friends. So for your personal use, for development use, no need to pay any cost to work with Java or to download Java. But in commercial parts, once you deploy your Java developed code in a server end, To run your Java applications in server end, we require some Java soft keys. There, in commercial terms, we have to purchase the Java license. That was changed from April 16, 2019. Okay. Now let's try to download. My system is a Windows 64-bit. How come I know? Some people ask the question. So if you right click on your PC, click on properties. Here see, my system is 64-bit operating system, right? I can download my Java. See, if you come down here, mine is Windows system. Here Windows x86, x64 is there. Mine is 64-bit, 210.92 MB was there. There you click on this to download. There you click on this, download. So here, oh, this one's okay. Here it is getting the license agreement. Earlier, friends, the UI is not like this. Earlier, we used to get the license agreement. Here, the radio buttons will come, accept and decline. But I think 2 days ago, it was changed the UI. I'm also seeing the new thing. Yeah. Once we click on this to download, there you need to click on this accept license agreement. Then you click on download. You will be redirected to the login screen in order to download this file. Even earlier, this message could not come. Directly it goes to login page. Now they are giving some information. Once you click on this, it goes to the login page. I hope no one has that account in this, right? In this. So let's try to click on this. It will directly redirect to the Oracle login page. Since no one has the account in Oracle, we have to register. Okay, you have to register that. Okay. So to register, I'll be clicking on create account. Click on create account. Once you have an account, then we can log into download. Okay. Yeah. So let me give so we have to provide the password. Password must have uppercase, lowercase letters, and at least one number, not match or contain email. The password what you are giving should not match your email. Okay, na? In that password should be lowercase, it should be uppercase, and one number should be there. Minimum 8 characters we must provide. Getting, friends? So country, yes, and first name Ravi Kanth, and last name Leela. Job title senior engineer, working for, and company name, where, an address, something, city, Hyderabad. All the mandate fields we have to fill that. Whether we give valid or invalid doesn't matter, but the star mark are the valid things we have to give that. Mandatory. State, Telangana, zip code, 5,90,90, I think, 72. What it was. Okay. So now you click on create account. Do remember that what are the credentials you given. Okay. So now once we register account, you will be getting some verification mail. We have to log into your, one second. Let me log into my valid account. So I've given 2019, right? Yeah. Let's log into that Ravi Leela 2019. Just a moment. Ravi Leela 2019. Let's log into that. I'll be getting one verification mail from Oracle Corporation. There I need to validate whether I was valid customer or not. See your friends. See, I got from Oracle one welcome message came for subscription. Let's click on that. Then we get that verify email. what is this? One button coming. Okay, fine. A question. Okay. Have verified. Have you verified email address? Email verification is request. Okay. Okay. Let's click on that. You will send the email button, verify mail, click button when you receive mail. Okay. This also got changed. Earlier it was not like this one. In that mail only I got one button, verify email. Directly I click there. This or you also got changed 2 days ago. Okay. Let me give you that email what I have registered. ravilela.2019@gmail.com. Let's click on submit. Verify your email address to use your account. We sent a mail to okay, so and so mail. Let's go there. Yes, now I got. So let's click on that. See, we will get this one. Earlier, first only once get the mail, you get this one. I didn't know some UI has changed in backend. So it was asking to give the email address. Then again, one mail is getting. There we have to click on the verify email address. Just click on that. You will get verified now. You will get verified now. Yes, success. Your account is ready to use. You can. Now I'll do one thing. I'll close all those things. I'll be in the only login page, friends. Okay. And so I am in a login page. And now I registered my account with my credentials. Now I'll be providing my credentials. Ravilela 2019 at gmail.com. Given a password, once I click on sign in, the download will get started. Just click on sign in. Oh, what happened? Now it started. What happened? Okay, I'll do that. Click on manage password. Let's see. Manage password. No. Not this. Sorry. Okay. Need help. I forgot my username. I forgot my password. Let's see that. No. I want to change my account password. Just click on that. I want to change my account password. This is a help, right? Sign into Oracle. Okay. Go to the account and click on the edit link. Password. Go to your account and click on the edit link. Forget password here. Forget password. Let's do that. I was given right password only. I don't know why. So let's me give that my mail ID once. Oh, sorry. Ravi Lela. Okay. ravilela.2019 Gmail. Submit. If you check your mail, you have an account username, email address to provide. Okay. Continue. So I will get one mail from Oracle to reset. Let's go to my email. Yes, yes, now I got to reset my password. So reset password. Let's reset once. It's asking to provide. 1 second, it's loading. Yeah. 2019 at gmail.com, and password I was giving. Success, your change has your password. Okay, fine, continue. Yeah, now I'll go to login account. Now I'll give my password. Just click on sign in. Yeah, see friends, now it is downloading it. I think I forgot the password. That's why we have resetted the password. Okay, fine. Make sure once you register, please save it somewhere else. Okay. So now it is being downloading. Okay, now. So once, okay, let it download. In meanwhile, I'll show you how to download the Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Yeah. Let's try to open one new tab. Let's search with the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. EE stands for Enterprise Edition. Yeah, let's type Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Just click on this keyword. You first click on the first link, Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, Eclipse packages. Just click on this link. So here, if you scroll down to some extent, here we can find more downloads. One section box was there, right? So here we can find that versions of the Eclipse from downwards to topward. Top is the latest version of Eclipse. Here 4.5, 4.6, like 4.10, 11, 12, 13 is there. The latest version of Eclipse to download. Just click on that. It was launched on September 2019, right? Just click on that. Eclipse 2019 4.13. So now we will be come to this page. Here we can find various supported Eclipses for separate needs. We want to develop that C++ course, C++ supported Eclipse we have to download. Where if you want to download that PHP related applications, PHP supported Eclipse we download. Where if you want to develop that scientific applications like scientific application related Eclipse we have to download. Okay. So I am going with Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java developers. Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java developers. So if you want to develop any enterprise applications, so everything comes under this, right? I go with this. 353 MB was there. 353 MB was there. And here right side we can find based on your bit OS, yours is Windows system. Windows system supported, you have to click on 64 bit. When you are working with Mac, Mac supported Eclipse, we have to download. When you're working with Linux, Linux supported, we have to click on this. Manage system, 64 bit. Friends, some people will have 32 bit, but latest Eclipses, it is not supporting 32 bit also. Okay, when you suppose now this is the latest Eclipse version we click. Now we can see only 64 bit. If I go one step back, yeah, here we can see in the downloads, if I go with the suppose Eclipse Photon something, Photon. Here here we can have 32-bit, 64-bit is there. Okay? For older versions, 32, 64-bit is there. Anyhow, 64-bit is suggested for corporates also. 32-bit is for student versions. For the practice, they're purchasing for less price. That's why they're working. That's why. So no, we never go with 32-bit. In real time also we have 64-bit. So coming in latest versions, it never gets the 32-bit. Okay, it only takes the 64-bit. Only Windows 64 is there. Just click on that. Just click on that. Now click on download. Now click on download. Now click on download. It is getting downloaded. Friends, let it get download. So I already done with downloading the Java. Okay, friends. I already having Java in my system. Let me uninstall that. Let me show you the process. Let me uninstall my existence of that Java. And I'll show you how to install freshly. Let me do that. Uninstall my existing Java. So already having this. Let me uninstall those two flavors of Java. In meanwhile, still my Eclipse is downloading. Let it be happen. So it is being removing. So still it was trying to remove it. So most of the friends people will download the wrong Java files and saying my Java is not working. So if you download proper file, in that once you installing that Java proper file, you'll be getting installing JDK and JRE. These two components will get installed. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, JDK, JRE, these two components must. Some people will install only JRE and saying my Java Eclipse is not opening, my Java programs are not running. So JDK, JRE both must. Okay, now we have downloaded a right file, so we can. So why it is taking more time? Okay, let me close the Eclipse because I already having Eclipse using some Java sources. That's why it is waiting. Let me close that Eclipse. My existing Eclipse was there, right? I was closing that because I was trying to uninstall my Java. The Java is already being used in my one of my Eclipse. That's why I was closing. Anyhow, we'll get the warning later, but in meanwhile, I closed that. No, it was uninstalling. Now it is uninstalling because I closed the Eclipse side. Now it is uninstalling. So even Eclipse also got downloaded, friends. Let's wait. We'll do that. Friends, I'll give the recordings. Just do follow this flow and please try to install your system. I think most of the people have shared the recordings. So who has not got, please okay, bring me in chat. I can provide you. Okay. Let me see how the process. Yeah. And next, let's try to uninstall this Java also. Then we'll firstly do installation of Java in my system. Friends, if you install any software, generally it will get installed in my computer, this PC, C drive, program files with respect to software named Java. In that JDK, JRE will be there. Now I install, right? Now this software will not be there in my physical location right now, right? I uninstall. See here, in a C drive, in a program files, there is no Java folder, right? There is no Java folder. Now Friends, can you hear me? Yes, sorry friends, just now power has gone and came. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah. So see friends, I have just uninstalled my Java. That's why I cannot see in the C drive program files with Java folder, right? Yeah. Now let's try to install Java in my system. Okay. I already downloaded my Java. Let's go to my folder, showing folder. This is a Java file. I need to double click on my Java. Now it will load to get install my Java. Yeah, sure, definitely. So it is taking time to load that. Just a moment. Click on S. Yeah. It takes some time to load that installation UI. Just a moment. Yes. Now you'll get this UI. Just click on next button. Now preparing to install. Now see friends, as I said in C program files Java folder, JDK component is being installing now. JDK is installing now. See, now click on next button. Soon after some time, next UI is coming. We want to install JR in the same path. Then also we have to click on next button. So JDK is getting installing. Now see, GR is asking to install in the C program files Java JRE. Now click on next. So some people will install only JRE and facing problem that Eclipse is not opening and programs are not running like this, they're facing the problems. So if you can download the right file, then the JDK JRE both will get installed. Okay. So after installing of Java, then we'll be opening the Eclipse. Okay. In meanwhile, let's try to extract my Eclipse. My Eclipse was in a zip file. Let's try to extract it in meanwhile. Let's open show in folder. So this is my Eclipse, right? So let me keep in let me extract. Let me cut from here. It was the downloads, right? Let me cut and keep in some D drive. In D drive, okay? Or else, okay. In Ravi, I was keeping here, okay? Paste it. Let me extract this Eclipse. Let me extract this Eclipse. Right click on this Eclipse, extract here. It's being extracted. Java is still installing. Java is still installing. Yeah, Eclipse extracted, right? Okay. Let's see. Once Java is done installing, then we'll open that Eclipse. Now, my Java has done installing the process. Now, if you go to your physical location, you can find here in your C drive, program files, there is a Java folder. Inside, we can see JDK, JRE, two folders was there. Now it is perfect. Now it is perfect. Now we can open Eclipse also. We can also open Eclipse. Let's go inside the Eclipse folder. Now we can find blue color icon Eclipse was there. Just double click on that Eclipse icon. Now see your Eclipse IDE integrated development environment is opening now. If you're not installing Java and you're trying to open Eclipse, it will not open, friends. So first you install Java, then only you can open the Eclipse. Now we'll see the structures, how to create project, package, and classes and interface. Friends, first layer, once we open the Eclipse, we create the project. Java project, we have to create that. Down to the line, we have to create the packages. Down to the line, we create the classes and interfaces. I'm not saying my own, and I'm following the standards. Friends, you know, any product if you purchase, it having some manual documentation. What it describes? The document describes what? Specifications and features of respect to product, right? Yes, the same for like if you purchase mobile, if you purchase car, any product if you purchase, we have some manual documentation. It contains in respect to features and specifications. Similar way in software also, if any application was developed, we'll design some documentation, right? That's called API specification document. For every language, like Java having its own API specification document, C# having its own specification document, Python having its own specification document. What that specification API document contains? Its own libraries, its own Python its own defined libraries, C# its own defined libraries, Java its own defined libraries.
Sorry
Friends,
to interrupt, your voice is not clear.
Friends, what about others? Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Friends,
It's breaking.
it's breaking.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now? Is it okay now? 1 second. I think my network. 1 second. Just a moment. Yeah. Is it okay now, friends? Is it okay now? Friends.
We still have disturbance.
Still have the disturbance. Okay. Just a moment. Check. Okay, fine. I think it will be good now. Is it okay now, friends?
Yes.
Can you please confirm? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, friends. So, friends, we have installed Java. Java having its own API specification document. Even like C#, Python also having its own specification document. What it describes? It describes Java set of libraries in that documentation, right? So how can I open Java API documentation, right? So I was opening one browser. Let's type here Java API documentation. What version of Java we install in your system? 8 version. Every version having its own API specification document. See, suppose if you want to purchase the Apple mobile is there. We having Apple. What is the version going on? Say 9 series, sir. 11 series is going on. Apple 11 having its own document. Apple 10 having its own specification document. Version to version document is varying because version to version features are different, right? According to that, the specifications features are defined in the documentation. Similar way, we have installed Java 8 version in your system. So we have to follow Java 8 specification document. So search in the browser Java 8 API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, just search here. See here, if you want 9, just type Java 9 API. That's it. Now click on Java API platform SCH. Okay, click on that. See friends, this is my Java 8 API specification document. Getting friends? We have to follow these standards. What are the libraries? What are the packages defined under the Java? We can watch from here. See here, Java Platform Standard Edition 8 API specification document. Here we can find various frames are there. First is the packages. See here, all the packages are there. Here second, if you click on any of the package, any package, if you click on that, down to the line, once I click on the Java line package, in the second frame, I can see the Java line. I can see collection of interfaces and classes are defined. If I click on any of the class in this frame, this class respect information was displayed in this third frame. Boolean is a class. In this class, what are the features I implemented? If I scroll down, these many fields are defined under this Boolean class. These many constructors are defined in this Boolean class. These are the methods are defined in this Boolean class. These are all the detailed information we can see in this API documentation. Getting friends? As we know, first we have to create the project. Let's try to create project in our Eclipse first of all. Then we'll talk about package classes with creating in a standards. Okay. Now, okay. Once you open the Eclipse, friends, first you are opening, right? It will be asking this prompt. Why it is asking? The workspace. So now you are going to be create some projects in your Eclipse. Where do you want to store your projects? By default, the location is showing that see users with your username and the folder Eclipse-workspace. This is a common part everyone gets that. The only thing is your username will be changing here for every person. If you want to organize your created projects in the same working directory, keep as like. If you want to change the working directory, then you click on browse to change that working directory. Okay. So I was keeping same. Then okay, I think I already having this. I'll be changing this. I'll be changing this. I'll keep in D drive. I'll be creating one new folder here. New folder. Working directory. Feb working directory I was giving. Okay, Feb 2020 working directory I was giving the name. So select this and select the folder. So in this folder, my projects from now onwards, whatever projects I was creating will be storing under this working directory. So always you want to store your created projects in the same directory, or you want always I want to create in this working directory only. Keep this checkbox. Otherwise, for every time you're opening Eclipse, asking, do you want same directory? Do you want same directory? Every time it prompts this prompt. Stop that. Check this. Use this as a default and do not ask me again. Check this checkbox and click on launch button. Click on launch button. Now see friends, my Eclipse is being opened. The first time you're opening it, it was loading all the necessary supported files. Now this is your Eclipse UI. This is your Eclipse UI. Just close this welcome screen, friends. Now this is the outline of this Eclipse. Eclipse is a ID, right? Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. Now first layer in the Eclipse, we create the project. Java project we have to create. How do we create a Java project? Go to the file menu, new, click on project. Click on project. There we can find the Java project option. Select that and click on next button. Here we have to provide your project name. Based on you provide the project name, it was storing under this my working directory. We already defined right Feb 2020 working directory. Into that my project will get stored once I give that. I was giving the name like FIRST. First project, the project name I was giving. Where it is storing? In my working directory. See friends, for every project creation, Java libraries are getting associated. What is the Java you install your system? 8 version. So here, use the execution environment JARE as an 8. So for every project creation, 10 projects you create, for every project, Java 8 libraries will get associated to the current project. Because how do my Java classes executes? By using the Java source only. By using Java libraries only, my Java classes will get executed. So for every Java project, will get associated. Suppose friends, one example. If you have installed one software, suppose version 1, tomorrow Java version 2 has came. Not leave it about Java. Take some other XYZ software. First version got released, you install your system. Tomorrow, second version of software came. You want to upgrade the software, right? Once you upgrade to the second version of software, first version software will be there, it will be upgraded. It will be upgraded. But in the case of Java, if we have so many versions of Java, we have installed 8, we having 9, 10, 11, 12. If you install all versions of Java in your system, it will not upgrade. Previous version 8 will be there, current version 9 will be there, next 10 versions, whatever you install, every version of Java will be exist. It will not override, not update. Okay, it will be there. So once you create any project, if you have 3 versions of Java installed in your system, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then tell me, this project wants to be executed from which version of Java? There we can select here in this drop down. We can get it right. If it is 9 is there, we can select 9. We having 8, that's why by default 8 was selected. If you have 9, you could select 9 here. But here down we're getting some warning because 9 is not there right in your system. What is saying that? The default compiler compliance level for the current workspace is 1.8. We have only 1.8. If we could have 9 installed, then we can select 9. We don't get this warning here. Getting what I'm saying? Yes. Keep as like 8. Now just click on finish. Just click on finish. Open perspective. Click on open perspective. Now see here in a project explorer, in a package explorer, there we can find the project what we just created, first project. Just expand this project. Here we can find two files, 2 folders are there down to the line. One is a Java libraries. We already associated 8 version, right? That's why it come under this project. For every project, these are the default files will come in Java library and SRC dummy folder. These 2 files will come under project. Yeah. Under the project, what is the next level we create? Packages. I am not saying that. I am following the documents here. Under the project creation, we have the packages. So what is a package? Package is collection of classes and interface. Here, if I click any package, irrespective of the package, down to the line, we can see java.applet. Here, some group of interfaces, some group of classes are defined. So, package is collection of classes and interface, right? So, what is the advantage of package? What is the advantage of package? Means reusing. As a category base, we are maintaining one package. If this package related classes or interface I may want in somewhere else, I can reuse easily. Understanding for you, better understanding. Suppose in your system you are having C, D, E drives, some various drives will be maintaining that. C drive we used to install all your software related. In D drive we used to keep our office related stuff, documentations. And in E drive, we used to store our entertainment related informations. Like we keep one folder called entertainment in an E. In that, we are creating movies, one folder, music, one subfolder, and games is one folder we are creating in an entertainment folder. We are not stopping over there. Going entertainment inside, going inside the movies, inside we are creating some more subfolders, English subfolder movie, Tamil, Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, like these subfolders we are creating that. We are not stopping over there. Going to entertainment, going inside the movies, going inside the English folder movies. There again we are creating subfolders. Comedy movie, romantic movie, horror movie, action movie. Why I am maintaining like this? For easy to organize, for easy to access. As a category base, I was organizing. Based upon my mood set, once I come from office, I was feeling tired. I want to have some juice. I want to watch comedy movies of English. Where to? E-drive, entertainment, movies, English, comedy movies. I pick one of the comedy movies. How simple it was to access, very easy, right? So as a category base, I was organizing my structure to store my movies. Similar way, I organize my package such a way only. See, that's what Java.applet is one category. In the category base, we stored all the applets related interface and classes. If we come down here, we can find java.io is there. IO stands for input and output. Any reading and writing related classes will be defined under this package as category based. Click on this java.io. There we can find CR classes here. We can find buffered input stream, buffered output stream, buffered reader, buffered writer. All reading writing category classes defined under this package as a category java.io. Okay. So, okay, fine. Package is collection of classes interfaces. Why we create package means for reusing easy access, we create the packages. So creating the packages, we have to follow some standards. Creating the packages, we have to follow some standards. First thumb rule is every package name starts lowercase. See here, every Java applet, Java DWT, everything is starting with lowercase or not? Every package starting with lowercase. Second thumb rule, the package name should be maintained in a dotted structure. See, everything is dotted, right? Java.applet, Java.awt, Java.awt colors. What is the internal behind the logic of this dotted structure means? Dotted structure internally represents as a subfolder. See here, Java.applet, Java is one folder, applet is one subfolder. In that applet subfolder, we can find these interface and classes. The reason behind the dotted structure is internally it serves as a subfolder. Getting friends? Yeah. First thumb rule creating packages usually starts with a lowercase. Second thumb rule is maintained as a dotted structure. These are the thumb rules we have to follow while creating the package under your project. Let's try to create a package. On which project you want to create a package? Right click on the project, new package, new package. Here we have to give the package. This is your project and SRC is a dummy folder. Down here we are giving package. Usually starts with the lowercase. If I give uppercase, what happens? No error, but warning is giving like discouraging the package name. By convention, package name usually starts with lowercase, not the uppercase, right? Yeah. So, and one more thing to forget to say. So, now when you are getting the packages, usually starts with the complete domain name as a package starting name. Domain name means every company having its own domain address. .com, .org, .in, .uk, .com like this. Suppose you are working for ICICI Bank. Company name is ICICI Bank. What is the domain address? What is the website of that? ICICI.com. You are working with some HDFC Bank, HDFC.com, Amazon.com, Amazon.uk, like these domain names. Why I am saying this? This every complete domain name as starting package name I am asking to give means no other companies will use that for uniqueness. For uniqueness to represent, yes, that you are working for so-and-so client to represent. I asked him to give the first name in the package as a complete domain name. It may not be duplicated, right? No other companies will not use my company domain name, right? My cell phone, I'll use that. So suppose you're working for HDFC Bank. Domain name is hdfc.com. Reverse that. com.hdfc. So in the HDFC, you can easily understand, yes, you're working for HDFC client. Or what are the main modules you're working? One of the modules is loans. Loans. Dot loans. In that loans, we have varieties of loans are there. Car loans is there, home loans is there, personal loans is there, mortgage loans is there, varieties of loans are there. So we can give one of the loan as, see how simple to understand. You are working for HDFC client, working for the module loans, working for submodules as car loans. How simple to understand? As category based, I was told, right? Yes. Now click on finish. Can I create more than one packages in a single project? Yes, I can create. See the document saying that. See how many packages are there in Java? Many are there. Yes, I can create. Now, if you want to create one more package, how can we go? Right click on project, new package. Instead of going like this from second time onwards, first time we go like this. Second time onwards, we can go either like this or else right click on existing. New package. Simply you change your, instead of car loans, instead of typing completely, you existing right click on the packages, home loans. Like this, I can create n number of packages. Education loans. Like this. What is that internal representation of package storing like is a data structure? How it stores? Subfolders. If you want to show me, yes, I can show you that. If you know the working directory, where is my project stored? You go physical manually. D drive, Feb 2020, like you can go like this for. Or else if you don't know the working directory where my project is stored, nothing to worry. Right click on your project, go to the properties, just in your location, just click on this arrow mark. It moves to your project root directory. It went up. Okay. Yeah. Go inside the first project. Inside what is the folder? SRC. SRC. Go inside the SRC folder. In the com is one subfolder. HDFC is one subfolder. Loans is one subfolder. Car loans, education loans, home loans, separate subfolders. Got it, friends? As category based, my package is representing. In the car loans package, all car loans related functionalities I'll keep that. In home loans, all the home loans related functionality I'll keep in that. I have to follow the standards. Friends, I hope everyone understood the concept. Project creation, package creation with standards. Is everyone okay? Friends,
Yes.
any doubt here? No, right? So tomorrow we'll continue with the creating the classes, interfaces, abstract class with the standards tomorrow. Classes, interfaces, and abstract class. What is the nature and behavior of the class, interface, abstract? We'll talk. Okay. So friends, any doubt till here? No, right? So I'll be sharing this recording. Please go through this, all these installation parts, makes you happen in your system. If you face any criticality, please let us know. We'll help you on that. Okay? Yeah. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.